Today we are going to discuss electric potential due to an electric dipole. Here will be two conditions. One, when point at which we want to find the electric potential due to dipole is lying at axial line, and second one will be when point at which we want to evaluate electric potential due to dipole lies at equatorial line or right bisector of dipole. Let us consider an electric dipole of length 2L forming with two charges minus q and plus q with midpoint at O. Let P be a point at which we want to find the electric potential due to this given dipole. Let separation between O and P is r. That is, point P is at a distance small r from the midpoint of the dipole. If B1 is the potential at P due to charge minus q and B2 is the potential at P due to charge plus q, then B1 may be written as B1 equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. ये जो entire arrangement है वो हमने consider किया हुआ है. It is in free space and therefore we are using here electrostatic constant as 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Then V equal to potential का फार्मूला होता है potential due to point charge V equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r. यहाँ वही फार्मूला अप्लाई करेंगे तो B1 is the potential due to charge minus q at P. Then B1 equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught charge minus q by r. R is the separation between charge and point of observation. Here point of observation is P and charge is at A. That is AP, and AP equal to R plus L, half length of dipole. R plus L. Equation 1. Similarly, we have to calculate potential due to charge plus q at P. Let it is given as V2. V2 equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q plus q by R. R means separation between B and P or BP. BP equal to R minus L. Equation 2. Now we have to find the net potential. Then net potential B equal to B1 plus B2. B equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R plus L plus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r minus l. Solving last equation, we have b equal to q by 4 pi epsilon naught कॉमन. ये माइनस साइन है, इसको उधर कर देते हैं, पॉजिटिव वाले को इधर लिख लेते हैं. ये हो जाएगा q by 4 pi epsilon naught कॉमन हो गया. ये आएगा 1 by r minus l minus 1 by r plus. सॉल्व करो, ये हो जाएगा q by 4 pi epsilon naught LCM r minus l r plus l. ये हो जाएगा r स्क्वायर माइनस l स्क्वायर अपॉन इधर क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई होगा तो r प्लस l, इधर ये क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई होगा माइनस तो माइनस r, और फिर ये माइनस l भी है लेकिन ये माइनस मल्टीप्लाई होगा तो प्लस l, और से ये r कैंसिल हो जाएगा. b इक्वल टू q बाई 4 पाई एप्सिलॉन नॉट 2l अपॉन r स्क्वायर माइनस l स्क्वायर. Here 2ql in the numerator of the equation, 2ql will be equal to dipole moment B equal to P by 4 pi epsilon naught r square minus L square. This is the general expression. But if we consider in practice, or if we consider that our point of observation is far away from the midpoint of dipole in comparison to dipole length, then L square will be neglected. If R or greater than L, then L square can be omitted or neglected. And on neglecting L square, we have V equal to P by 4 pi epsilon naught R square. This is the required expression for electric potential due to an electric dipole at axial point. Now in second case, we are going to discuss electric potential due to an electric dipole at equatorial point or at right bisector of dipole. Here A and B or AB is represented by, dipole is represented by AB forming with two charges minus Q and plus Q having dipole length 2L. Let P be a point at equatorial line or at right bisector of dipole at which we want to find the electric potential. This is the midpoint of dipole O. Separation between O and P is small r and half length of dipole is L. Therefore, it may be written as this. But in order to write electric potential due to point charge, we have to find shortest distance between charge and point at which we want to calculate the potential. For this, distance AP may be evaluated by using Pythagoras theorem, where base is L and perpendicular is R, and in this way hypotenuse will be under root R square plus L square. Let B1 is the potential at P due to charge minus Q and B2 is the potential at P due to charge plus Q. If we write the expression for B1 and B2, then it will be written as B1 equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught minus Q by R. R means under root R square plus L square. In the same way, B2 equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square plus L square under root. These two equations gives the electric potential at P due to charges minus Q and plus Q which are forming the dipole, and therefore to find the net potential at P, let it is B, we have to write V equal to B1 plus B2. In this way, V equal to minus Q by 4 pi epsilon naught R square plus L square under root plus Q by 4 pi epsilon naught R square plus L square under root, negative sign, positive sign, their sum will be 0, and in this way net potential due to dipole at equatorial point will be 0. From these two derivations, नाउ पोटेंशियल ड्यू टू डाइपोल कंप्लीटेड।